Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on LinkedIn. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website where you will be asked to enter your credentials to log in or use your Google account. If you signed up to your account using Google, then you can click on Continue with Google at the bottom section, and you will simply be asked to select your Google account in order to proceed forward. If you signed in using your email address, simply type in your email address within the email or phone box. You can also enter your phone number here if you signed up using your phone. Then enter your account password underneath within the password box and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your LinkedIn account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.